Kerkum Shibenta Banwanra ya kejing shngan hakalit kawan hakasurok NH6 berbante la kami kejing ja aksiden kiba wanra ya kejing ja besngausi bershem ki buon ngut ki mensim brio ki pulit kenong po police traffic branch hinin ke Miet kendai tarik yayong hakapor kumba kendai baji AA men Miet kila talasi kinong nya kali bala buat kiat ki bamdon ki kot kisla ki babiang bad ki bapen ken ki kendon an nya kali habaya day berbanlap bekinong nya kali bala buan ki pulit kila pedon kamleng ba ka breathalyzer ne ban paput ya kinong nya kali kenang ban tip la kinong nya kali kila buat kiat ne em hakapor baki nya kali hakate ka Jingtalasi ki pulit kila lap ya shibon kinong nya kali bala buat kiat badru ya ki Mahindra pick up bakit seat palat pot hakabaki pulit kila dan Kuna yaki bar habak hen kelum yaka pisa kapala yo ban dan Kuna yaki te ki prapen ken yaka gendon nya kali ki pulit kila yo ban lum hadu arlak khandai pu khandai hajar tengka officer in charge kanong po police traffic branch Rubul Ali ulayat ho ba haka Jingtalasi kali haka ni Miet ki pulit kila penet jingmut ikinong nya ki babuat kajing bambiang ki kot kisla kajing kit palat put kajing kit seat klem ki kendon kajing shngan bat ki we ulayat ho basibon ki kali ki de ki bambiang ki kot kisla bat bon ru layo bat ki breu banyak kali hapadeng kajing shock kawyang bat bam pendon kam ki seat belt kajing bam pendon kam ki helmet habanya arshaka kentup ki basyong nadien Kerkum kejing ong jong u ki pulit trafik kila dan Kuna ya baro kinong nya kali bapen kenyan bat ke Kuna kabalayo lum baro kalapoi arlak khandai pu khandai hajar tengka.
Good evening everybody. I am in charge traffic Nongpo, Khubor district. Today we are here for conducting drunk and driving. Most of the time we are seeing that there are lots of accidents because of this drunk and driving. Not only drunk and driving, we are checking these helmets, then we are checking the seat belts, then bike riders, then these pillion riders. Daily we are checking, and we have given so much awareness on the road, but still so many people they don't feel good to wear helmet. So we are conducting these checkings. Now today evening also we have started this drunk and driving, because we have seen that in Nongpo most of the drivers in this highway they are drinking and driving. So we are checking this drunk and driving for the safety of the citizen, not only for them, for everybody. And moreover, what to say more?
Tam Khubor Miet, but ni check ro ya ki driver ki ba di buat hambun sin nala mit ki driver ki ba di buat indo te kabu jing ma ya ki wei ki kali ki ba ya hakini ki highway te kumta minta si ni penong kene ka checking te kat to kat ne ki driver ki don ki ba ni lap ba ki ba dikiat but mrei tang kini ki ba kit sit Henry kitu ki turis baro hingi checking da kasi kat bangilap te don ki ba di kiat hakapor ba ki nya kali te kumtangi na ka traffic branch haga jing alam jong ni IC jong ni te ngi check kat bangila he kat ba nadu mene ngi sedang nadu kapor